Hey guys, the Scratch Game Jam number 10 is about to kick off. You have 2 weeks to create a game that fits the theme using Scratch, Timberweb, Gandi IDE, or any other Scratch tools. The theme for this jam is What have you done? Here are some examples of games that fit the theme. Undertale, a unique RPG where players can choose to fight or befriend the various monsters they encounter. The choices made throughout the game have a significant impact on the story and characters, exploring the theme of the consequences of violence and power of empathy. Heavy Rain, the interactive drama game follows the story of 4 characters as they search for a serial killer. The choices player makes through the game lead to multiple branching paths and endings. The Stanley Parable, a first-person exploration game where players follow the narrator's instruction or choose to deviate from the intended path. The game challenges players to question authority and explore the consequences of their choices, offering multiple endings and thought-provoking narratives. Detroit Become Human, set in a future where androids exist. Players control 3 different androids as they navigate the world on the brink of revolution. The choices made by players shape the narrative and determine the fate of both characters and androids' place in the society. Before you start to create your game, make sure to read the detailed rules on each page of Scratch Game Jam number 10 and join our Discord server to discuss the theme, update devlogs, and playtest with other creators. We are excited to see more creative and challenging ideas. Good luck and have fun!